Welcome everybody. So on USD card, I have a sell trade on this pair. So I'm expecting price to come into this key level, this point of interest here. I will sell. So I'm targeting this low here. So I've set my trade. This is Monday, by the way. So this is Monday afternoon. I saw this screen setup on the lower time frame, 45-minute time frame actually. So, but mostly I trade from the 2-hour time frame though. So, but this one is just because of it's on the key level. So I saw this, so I'm gonna take this short-term sell. As let's see if it's gonna play out well. I've placed everything in place, risk management and everything. So let me see how it's gonna go. If it goes well, it's good. If it does not go well, we are cooked. But I believe though, trust in this setup, and yeah. And Bitcoin. So I had this setup on Sunday on Bitcoin. So this is set up on Bitcoin. Wow! And it's pushing up more and more. So I had this setup on Bitcoin on Sunday and it's playing out massively. Guys, it's pushing up to the upside. Shit is pushing up to the upside. So on Bitcoin, I had a sell which was on Friday, but I don't take it though, but I still do my analysis on it. So I had the sell on Friday, so it used surplus. Now I have a buy which I had on Sunday close to Monday morning, and I marked it out, and I woke up this morning, price have already come to this level. So let me see how well close to, this trade is already a good trade for this particular pair because we're close to take profit. So yeah, two setup this week. Sorry, I mean I said to this week I've never started itself. I mean one good setup and one bad setup on Bitcoin. But these two trades here, I've already recovered the losses of this setup. If I take in it though, yeah. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and all that. Let's build this family. Yeah. So this is what I'm looking at for now. And for the other pair, I told you guys before on this pair here that price came to my point of interest here and it's bought and it's still buying. So I'm expecting a reaction from this level. Expecting a reaction from this level here. So if price gets to this level, I'm expecting a reaction of a sell before we continue buying. Something like this. Something like this. Something like this, then we'll go higher. So this is what I'm expecting though. But anyways, apart from that, I'll be looking at my main entry, which is this setup. Let's see. I pray it goes well, because imagine missing a good setup on Bitcoin because I stopped trading it. Though Bitcoin has been favorable for a very long time, so I'm not really saying anything on it. I'm not really saying much on it because I've been making a lot of profit from it before. But just that the loss side is not really my thing. But I will still trade Bitcoin though. But it will not be now. Maybe when I start funding my personal live account, I'll start trading it. So I'm expecting price to come to this level here, and then we'll see. Let's see how it's going to go. Apparently, we have had one good trade this week. Though I had not really played that particular one because the lot size I said before. But let's see how this week is gonna go. If the week goes well, then boom. Don't forget to apply consistency and risk management if you're a trader out there. Yeah. Anyways, let me go and see if I can look forward to it. I'll update you guys on the setup I showed you guys. Hey, what's up everybody? So yeah, this trade later triggered. You can see it already moved here. I just woke up from sleep because this is the morning. It came inside this level here and it dropped to this level and it came back up again. So I just woke up and I saw the setup. It has triggered me, and this is the entry. So this is the entry here. So this is the trade itself. So yeah, let's be observing, child. Let's see how the trade goes. If it goes well, then it's cool. If it does not go well, I've put my risk and everything. So let me see how what setup is gonna play out for me. So yeah. Let me see, second setup. Okay. So yeah, before that, guys, this is GBPNZD. You know, before I told you guys that I had a setup here and price brought to the upside, right? So I was waiting for price to give me an entry on this level here when it bought. So I did not really take this setup because it was during market open that it triggered this setup. And funny thing was that I was not really paying attention to this pair. So as I was not paying attention, I missed this setup. Yeah, because normal I had my setup was a buy. So if you can see, I was looking for buys. So this selling here now, this selling here, it took me out. So now I had this level here. So I was waiting for buys, and you know, I missed the setup. I was not paying attention. So that was my fault. But anyways, yeah, you know, USD kind of triggered. Let's see how it goes. Hello guys, what's up? So that setup I showed you guys yesterday, it has this stop loss. Crazy, right? 4 losses in a row like this, bro. Last week I took about 3 losses. This week I'm taking about 1 loss. I'm still taking trades though. Who knows? The next time I help us out, until we come out of drawdown. Yeah, continue trying to come out of drawdown. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel though, so that we can continue moving forward as one family though. So guys, yeah, this is the setup here. Very crazy trade though. Sorry, look at, came to my entry first early in the morning, came back down, then came back up again. My stop loss was above this side here. It came inside, then it had a massive sell down to this level. Or the massive profit here. Then all of a sudden price pushed back up again, and for me on a normal basis, I would have taken a buy. But because of this line I marked, that was why I was trying to short a sell before I continue buying. So now I would have taken a buy from this level here yesterday, but because of the level I marked, I did not take it. But if not for this level, I would have taken this buy from this level, and I would take profit this week, and I would have made profit this week. But more, it's frustrating. I'm not gonna lie. It's tiring actually. But anyways, let me show you guys the loss. Very massive loss this week. So I did not really lose much. I only lost it about $48. Yeah. Last week I lost about $150. Today is $48. So that's totaling of $200 loss under 1 week. I mean under 2 weeks. So it's still something. But we're not really down yet. We can still come out again. I just need 2 good trades. 2 good trades will put me in profit of $300. 2 good trades will put me in profit of what? $300. And apart from that, on this pair, I told you guys something before on GBP and ZD, which I told you I missed a setup on it, and it went to take profit. I did not take it. This was it here. If not for spikes, I would have focused on this pair only. But because of the unnecessary spikes that happens on that pair, I did not bother with it. Now this is crypto. So guys, this is crypto. Now look at this. So crypto apparently had this buy. It went straight to take profit. This was on Monday. Was it on Monday? Let me see the day again. Yeah, this was on Monday. I missed this trade because of loss size issue on the profit I'm trading. Now, that's the crazy part about it. I know people be like, what about this? This one he stop loss. Boy, look at this. These two should have taken out of drawdown if the firm allowed me to use my usual loss size. But anyways, yeah, that's all for now. Let's see. The week has not ended. There's still Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Let's see what the market will give us. What's up, everybody? So I had a setup on this thing on Bitcoin, BTC USD. So it's sell setup though, this is the screenshot of this setup here. So I had a setup and the thing went to take profit, like one of the fastest trades I ever take. Like it never waste time, it just stab me in straight to my take profit. So the issue now is that during that trade I closed it because it was missing one of my criteria before I take a trade. So the setup I took it, but I exited on time. So and smash take profit, which is Let me see it. So it's smart take profits, but I'm not really bothered about it because I have a rule against like taking trade that don't meet my requirements and all that. So the trade he take profit and it's crazy trade, but very easy trade actually, because that trade would have actually brought one of my profit account out of close to getting out of drawdown. You understand? Yeah, and it was on Bitcoin. I told the guy I don't trade BTC, but BTC has been bringing a lot of nice setup lately, like good back-to-back take profit setups. So anyways, but the trade was a missed setup though, because I did not take it, and I was missed one of my criteria, which was there was no structure, so I did not take the setup. But what I'm trying to do now is that maybe let's see, maybe this week if I can find one more setup or one more good trade this week, then to complete it for me. If not, then I will know that okay. I just hope that I don't hit stop loss before the next setup comes, because bro, I've taken about like four losses in a row, like these 4 losses, and it was on from first 2 losses was from GBP NZ, the second one was from the other one. But anyways, yeah, that was all the setup I've taken so far. But let's see how it's gonna play out, and all those stuff. I pray it goes well though. Currently I'm taking the stroll now because I want to refresh my mind. If I go back home. So yeah. Hello, what's up everybody? Good morning. So this week alone I already see like, let's say about I had a setup on GBP NZD and the trade went straight to stop loss. So yeah, then this morning I had about 2 trades, which was on Bitcoin and on USD card. So I'm currently on the trades now, and both of them are still playing out perfectly. But I've not really put my hope on any trade, because they can still reverse, or who knows, they might go straight to take profit. You get here. The only way when I know that okay, I won on this trade is if it goes straight to take profit, because sometimes maybe in a trade and the trade will still reverse. So but I've set my break even already. So if it comes back to my entry, I'm not really bothered. So yeah, I will show you guys the setup this morning. Let me see. Okay, yeah, so this is the trade here. Currently this one. I had it somewhere around here. Wait, let me see. Okay. I had it somewhere, sorry, not this one. So this was it for the beginning. Then this is it now. Then this was what it triggered. So this is it here. You've seen it. Yeah. So currently it's moving. Let me see how it's gonna be. And this, where's my phone? Sure. Let me open it for you guys. You've seen it here. So yeah, this is the first trade on Bitcoin. Then this also had this, which is this one here. This trade was pretty nice. So from here, so I'm targeting somewhere around here. This is the pair here. So this is this was the previous outcome of this setup. So this was the previous outcome of it. Okay. This was the setup that hit stop loss. So this one is the USD card. So this then this is it now. So and this is the outcome here. Wait, let me see if I can find it. So guys, this is it here. So yeah, So on this GBP NZD trade here, this was the setup on GBP NZD, which I had that went straight to stop loss. Can see, came straight upward and took me out of the setup. The funny thing was that this was it here. This was it here. No, I mean, this is not this. Is this one? Is this one here? So this was it here, right? Yeah. So yeah, and also I had a previous trade on Bitcoin. I've not really. I showed you guys this one before my when I was making a video. This sell that I had here, and it went straight downward. I showed you guys on my previous video. It's there, and on also on ETH USD, Ethereum versus USD, and another setup which was there too. You can see this one too came back into my entry, tapped me in, and what, and sold down. The funny thing about this trade now was that I had all of them, which was here. This were the wait, let me find it. This was the outcome first from the beginning. This was the first outcome of the trade. Before them, they pushed down. Same thing with ETH USD. I had this buy previously, but I put my take profit around there. So I was this trade, I exited it on time. Then I switched to sales because of this line I marked out. So I was looking for sales. Then yeah, that was the outcome of the setups of this trade on Ethereum versus dollar and Bitcoin. So yeah, that's all for now. I'll update you guys on the outcome. Okay. What's up, everybody? Yeah, today is Saturday. Yeah, Saturday in the evening actually. So that trade we took on USD card, it was closed by my profit account, so I ended the week in profit though. Ended it with small profit actually. But yeah, I will show you guys the setup now. Let me set up. And Bitcoin hit break even. The trade reverse and those kind of stuff. Yeah. So the week was actually, it was slow and fast in between. But I'm currently out now. I'm taking this through. Once I get back, I will show you guys the setup and how the trades play out. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that we can build this family and all that stuff.